Hello, welcome to this class. Yes, in this class, we're talking about number 55 in our UTME questions. Now, this question says that the angle of a quadrilateral are 5x minus 13, 4x plus 60, 60 minus x, and then 3x plus 61. Find the smallest of these angles. Now, you are asked to find which of these four angles is the smallest. Now, what should you do? First of all, you add everything and then equate it to 360. After equating it to 360, you find x. After finding x, then you impute it into each of them to find out which one is the smallest among them. That's it. It's as simple as that. So let's move forward. So what's the first one? The first one is 5x minus 30. Right? Since we are adding everything, I won't put it in brackets. So it's plus the second one, 4x plus 60 plus 60 minus x plus 3x plus 61 equal to 360. Also 360 degree because it's a quadrilateral. And the sum of angle in a quadrilateral is 360. 5x plus 4x is 9x. 9x minus x is 8x. 8x plus 3x is what? 11x. So write 11x. Minus 30 plus 60 will give me plus 30, right? That's 30. 30 plus 60 will give me 90. And 90 plus 61 will give me plus 151, which is equal to 360 degree. And 151 will come to this side, which makes it 11x equal to 360 degree minus 151 degree. So 11x will be equal to 360. 360 minus 151 to give me 209. And 209 divided by 11. That's 19. The Bible said that the coefficient of x, which is 11, so 11x divided by 11 equal to 209 divided by 11. This implies that x is equal to 19 degrees. Now remember, what they ask us to find is the smallest. Find the smallest of these angles. So which is the smallest? We'll find out from this. So the first angle is 5x minus 30, right? Which is equal to, since x is equal to 19, you see 5 times 19 minus 30, which is equal to 5 times 19. That's 19 times 5 is 95 minus 30. So 95 minus 30 is 65 degree, right? And that's why 65 degree. So the next one is 4x plus 60, which is equal to 4 times 19 plus 60. 19 times 4 is 76 plus 60, 136. So 16 minus x is 16 minus 19, which will give us what? 30 what? 31, right? Am I correct? 60 minus 19 is 41, 41. And this one is 3x plus 61, which is equal to 3 times 19 plus 61. So 3 times 19 will give us what? 54, 57. 57 plus 61 will give us 118. So from here, you find out that the smallest of all of these angles is this 41 degree. Therefore, the smallest angle is 41 degree, which is what? Which is this? 60 minus x. I believe you understand this question. But how do you get this 41? It's from this place, 60 minus x. I believe you enjoyed this class. If you enjoyed this class, please give us a like, share, and comment. Thank you very much.